Many adult millennials probably have fond memories of the small, foldable Razor scooters that were everywhere over a decade ago. Of course, children these days are more about Heelys, the sneakers that have a skate embedded in each sole so kids can scoot around by just lifting their toe. Razor's been combining these two trends for a while with their Jets line of skate shoes, and the newest edition goes even trendier thanks to the addition of an electric motor capable of speeds of 10 miles per hour. Turbo Jets slide over your footwear and can fit sizes all the way up to an adult 12. So yeah, grown-ups can get into the action too. Only one skate is powered, and it's that one that you'll use to pull you forward when worn on your dominant foot. Just point your toe in the air and push off, and there you go, easy as pie. Well, not exactly. Kids familiar with Heelys will find using them second nature. If you're more into classic roller skating like I am, you might find that muscle memory a bit hard to let go of. At least it's difficult to outright fall down in these, though I had plenty of close calls. Once mastered, the Turbo Jets can be a lot of fun, but also a great way to get around. The removable lithium-ion battery has enough juice for 30 minutes of travel, though the exact time varies by how much weight it's carrying. The skates support up to 176 pounds, and a full-grown adult will drain the battery a lot faster than a sprightly child. Adults and kids will both appreciate how easily these can be tucked into a backpack, perfect for a morning commute or hanging out after school. Turbo Jets are on sale right now, both online and at your local Toys R Us for $130.